Ladies and gentlemen, we are here. We are live in 2012 annual Japan Day. Right now I am filming a lot of footage from this year's Japan Day. Well, last year there was a lot of footage going on, so hopefully this year I'm gonna record a lot more. That's all I got to say about that. So please enjoy the show, stay tuned, and once again, go to youtube.com/ShinMamoruX, youtube.com/ShinMamoruX2K4 for more gaming footage. So with that being said, I'll see you later.